To an update now on Monday's fatal hit-and-run crash which claimed the life of an 11-year-old boy. The incident happened along the ferry service road near the Mandela Highway. Shamala Pullen has details.
It was a scene of chaos and heartbreak on the ferry service road in St. Catherine Monday afternoon. Angry residents scattered debris and lit a massive blaze in the middle of the roadway, demanding justice. Justice because the driver in a speeding vehicle mowed down an 11-year-old boy and didn't stop. Duran Mackenzie was among a group of passengers who disembarked from a Jamaica Urban Transit Company bus sometime after 3 p.m. They were attempting to cross the busy thoroughfare when tragedy struck. Although the driver fled the scene, investigators were able to track him down once they were made aware of the license plate number.
There was a roadblock at this very location when the accident occurred. However, the police was present, and through this dialogue with the community members, they dispersed. There were about 50 persons at the location at the time. However, upon hearing that the child succumbed to the injuries, they mounted another roadblock at this very location, and this time it was lit. The fire unit had to be called to extinguish the blaze and remove the debris from the roadway.
In the meantime, Commander for the Ferry Subdivision of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, Deputy Superintendent Earl Grant, is making this appeal to motorists.
I would encourage motorists using this motorway, the service road to the left of Mandela, passing the Ferry Police Station, the commercial district, the Idle School, to slow down, adhere to the speed limit, which is 50 kilometers. And I'm speaking directly to buses, taxi operators who apply this route, as also other motorists going towards the commercial district. Please slow down.
Shamala Pullen, TVJ News.
Meanwhile, Deputy Superintendent Earl Grant, Commander for the Ferry Subdivision of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, expressed concern about the lack of lighting and excessive speeding in the area. DSP Grant says a feasibility study is underway and discussions are being held with the National Works Agency about the installation of speed bumps to improve safety along the road.
There are signs erected along the roadway. We have a school zone, which is the Idle High School, companies, commercial district, residents along this corridor, and drivers still speed. This has come to our attention, and on a daily basis we try to stage a vehicular checkpoint where we check for vehicles speeding along the motorway. Though motorists have been prosecuted in many cases, they continue the practice.